I live in a 468 square foot studio apartment, so there isn't a huge need for me to fill the place with IoT devices. However, I have found small ways to automate my life, making it a little bit easier. In this video, I'll show you devices I use and how they work together. This is not meant to be a review or setup video, but I can say that these devices work great since I use them every day. To ensure a great experience between all of my IoT devices, I needed a solid foundation to support them all. In this case, it's my home network. In my apartment building, I'm able to plug a router directly into the wall, removing the need of a modem. I'm using an EdgeRouter X, which doesn't give Wi-Fi signals on its own, so I paired it with a Unifi AP/AC Lite that is mounted directly onto the ceiling. I completely stopped having Wi-Fi problems ever since I got these two devices. I have two Alexa devices, an Echo Dot near my bed and an Echo Tap in the kitchen, which doubles as a portable Bluetooth speaker when I need one. I mostly use Alexa to check the weather, set a timer when cooking, and to control my smart bulbs. For my smart bulbs, I use the Lifx Color A19s. I got these instead of Philips just because they are brighter. They don't use a hub, which can be problematic if you don't have a solid home network. With IFTTT, I connected my Alexa and Lifx devices together so that whenever my alarm goes off an Alexa device, my light bulbs will automatically turn on, helping me wake up in the morning. I have a Wyze indoor security camera in the corner of my room. It notifies me whenever it detects motion and records a small clip. I have it plugged into a TP-Link smart plug, which is connected to IFTTT. With this, I can have the camera automatically turn on when I leave the area around my apartment and have it turn off when I enter the same area. I could set the Wyze camera to stop detecting motion during certain hours of the day, but I feel better having it off completely. This particular smart plug unfortunately blocks the second outlet on the wall, but there is a smaller model available that won't have this problem. I also have another smart plug in the kitchen that doesn't have any dedicated use. But one thing I have done with it is turning on my water kettle a minute before my alarm goes off so that I could quickly have hot water for my morning tea. I can't recommend this particular smart plug just because it doesn't have IFTTT integration. Thanks for watching. I didn't show you the full capabilities of these devices in this video, but I hope I've inspired you to automate your life, even if it's just as simple as having the lights turn on when it's time to wake up. You can find links to all these devices in the video description. If you have any questions about my setup, leave a comment and I'll reply as soon as I can. Please consider subscribing if you're liking the content. Until next time.